Namaste dear all, welcome once again to my YouTube channel Suhas Entertainments and Cultural Activities. Today I am taking up the opening verse of Malavikagnimitram, a super play composed by the great poet Kalidasa. So this is about this fantastic shloka, a benedictory shloka always narrated by Nandente Tadastu Sutradhara Pravishati. It always happens in the traditional way in all the Sanskrit plays. This Nandi Shloka are rendered by Sutradhara and it always comes as a benediction. So first I will chant this. This is a 21 lettered 4-line shloka or a stotra which is composed in Sraddhara Vrutta. We will just a quick check on the Sraddhara Vrutta pattern also and then move on to the verbatim meanings. The first I am just chanting or reciting this wonderful stotra, that is the opening verse of Malavikagnimitram composed by the great poet Kalidasa. Here I go. Ekaishwarye stithopi pranata bahufale yasvayam kruttivasah kanta sammishra dehopya vishaya manasam yah parastadyatinam ashtabhiryasya कृत्स्नं जगदपितनुभृतो नाभिमानः सन्मार्गालोकनाय व्यपनयतु सवस्तामसि वृत्तिमीशः. Fantastic, isn't it, my dear friends? Now, I told you that this is composed in Sraddhara Vrutta. We'll just have a quick check on this. So, we'll take up the first pada. Ekaishwarye tithopi pranata bahufale Yasvayam Kruttivasaha. So what Kalidasa is saying, we have to check on this Sraddhara Vrutta pattern. The pattern is MRBN, Y1, Y2, Y3. You just have a recap. Sraddhara Vrutta Lakshana, Mrabnair Yanam Train, Trimuniyati Yuta, Sraddhara Kirtiteyam. So we have to get this MRBN, Y1, Y2, Y3 pattern. We just have a quick check. Ekaishwarye, Ekaishwar, we are getting as triple one, that is Magana, that is Yam. Ye Sthito, we are getting as 101, that is Ragana Ra. So MR, we are getting the conditions are being satisfied. Moving on, Pip Prana, we are getting as 100, that is Bagana B. Fantastic, isn't it, my dear friends? Moving on, Tabahu, we are getting as 000, that is Nagana Yan. And then moving on, Pranata Bahu Phaleyaha, Phaleyaha, we are getting as Y1 there, 011. Pranata Bahu Phale, yes, Swayam Krut, we are getting as 011. Again Y2, Tivasaha, we are getting as 011 again, that is Y3. Fantastic, isn't it, my dear friends? It is exactly Sraddhara Vrutta. Likewise, you can have a check on the other padams also. Now we will move on to the verbatim meanings. Ekaishwarye tithopi pranata bahupale yasvayam kruttivasaha. Swayam yaha kruttivasaha. He who is just clad with elephant skin, who is just half naked, that is Lord Ishvara. Fantastic description. Video ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಬರ್ತೀನಿ. Fantastic description. So he is just clad with an elephant skin, half naked, Lord Ishvara. Ekaishwarye stitopi. What is his wealth? He possesses this wealth called self-knowledge. Ekaishwarye, that is the meaning, the scriptural meaning. Ekaishwarye stitopi pranata bahupale. Although he is possessing this power of self-knowledge, he is capable of delivering or bestowing many boons to all his devotees. Pranata Bahupale, who prostrate before him. That is the power of Lord Ishvara. How he got this power? Because he always is chanting Rama, 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 Rama Taraka. Nama is chanting. He is immersed in Vishnu Bhakti or self-knowledge. That is the power of Lord Ishvara. This fantastically brought out in this first padam of the opening words of Malavikagnimitram, my dear friends. We chant this first padam again to contemplate on this meaning. Fantastic, very good meaning, brilliant meaning. Ekaishwarye tithopi pranata bahupale yasvayam kruttivasaha. He who possesses only one wealth, that is called self-knowledge or Vishnu Bhakti, and then who is immersed in Vishnu Bhakti or the self-knowledge, and With this, he is capable of delivering many boons to all those devotees who prostrate before him. He is clad with only an elephant skin and is always half naked, ascetic. That is Lord Ishvara, depicted in a brilliant way by this poem, the stotra, the opening verse of Kalidasa's Malavikagni. The first padam we have got, my dear friends. We'll move on to second padam now. What it says. Kanta sammishra dehopya vishaya manasam yah parastadyatinam. Kanta sammishra deha. Who is Kanta sammishra deha? He is the union of Uma and Maheshwara. That is Ardhanarishwara, though he is always an union of Prakriti and Purusha. Kanta sammishra dehopi avishaya manasam, among all those who possess the unblemished and purest form of minds, without any blemish of sensual attractions. Avishaya manasam, yah parastad yatinam, among such yatis, he is even more advanced to the yatis, even more, far more greater than the yatis, who possess the purest form of minds, unblemished by sensual attractions. Fantastic description, isn't it, my dear friends? So this is the second padam. Kanta sammishra dehopi. Although he is always in the form of Ardhanarishwara, that is the union of Prakriti and Purusha, in the form of Uma Maheshwara, Ardhanarishwara, he is far beyond even the yatis who possess the purest form of blinds, the unblemished minds, untouched by the sensual pleasures. So that is the meaning of the second padam. Moving on to the third padam, it is even more fantastic. Ashtabhiryasya krutnam jagadapitanu nabhimanaha. Ashtabhihi, through his eightfold manifested forms. Ashtabhiryasya krutnam jagadapi, he possesses the entire universe. Krutnam jagadapi tanubhirbrato, with his through his eightfold manifested forms, he possesses this entire universe. Which are these eightfold manifested forms? The Ashtamurtis of Lord Ishvara is very famous in our scriptures. It is depicted in 2-3 instances. It is brought up very beautifully. This one is in the opening verse of Malavikagni, and the second we find in the Dakshinamurti Stotra of Adi Shankara, and then third again we find it in the opening verse of Abhignana Shakuntalam, which I will take up in the next video. So now we'll just have a quick recap of Dakshinamurti Stotra, which describes the Ashtamurti Swarupa of Lord Ishvara. That is Bhurambham Syanalo Nilo Ambaramahannatah Himamshuh Puman Ityabhati Characharatmakamidam Yasyaiva Murtyashtakam Nanyat Kinchana Vidyate Vimrushadam Yasmat Parasmat Vibhot Tasmai Shri Guru Murtaye Namayidam Shri Dakshina Murtaye. What Shankara says there? Bhuhu Ambam Yanilo Analo. Bhuhu means this Prithvi, Ambuhu means water, Anila is air, Anala is fire, Ambara is ether, and then Aharnataha. Aharnata means the king of the day, that is Dinesha, that refers to Lord Surya Narayana, and Himamshu is the moon, and Puman refers to all the Jivatmas. So these are the eightfold manifested forms of Lord Ishvara, through which he possesses the entire universe. Now what Kalidasa is saying in the third padam of Malavikagni is Ashtabhiryasya krutnam jagadapitanu bhibrataha. Though he is possessing the entire universe through his eightfold manifested forms, tanubhir bibrataha nabhimanaha. Ashtabhiryasya krutnam jagadapi tanubhir bibrato. Yes, nabhimanaha. So he is not even having a speck of pride within himself, though he possesses this entire universe through his eightfold manifested forms. Ashtabhiryasya krutnam jagadapitanu bhibrato nabhimanaha. That is the fantastic meanings. The great Kalidasa has brought out this meaning in the third padam of the Malavikagni opening verse. So we move on to fourth padam now. Sanmarga lokanaya व्यपनयतु सवस्तामसी वृत्तिमीशः Sanmargalokanaaya, to keep us guided, to keep you guided, because he is saying Savastamasi Vrittimisha. This comes as a benediction to all of us from Kalidasa through the Sutradhara. That is the opening verse, he who narrates the opening verse. After this is also called as Nandi Shloka in each of the Sanskrit places. So, Sanmargalokanaya Vyapanayetu, in order to guide us all in the proper direction, in the Sattvika direction, Savastamasi Vrittimishaha Vyapanayetu, this Lord Ishvara, such a Lord Ishvara, may he ward off all our Tamasika and Rajasika qualities, and then may he uplift us unto the Sattvic qualities and grant us moksha, liberation. That is the fantastic meaning, my dear friends. So this is the opening verse. I have covered the chandas also, the poetical analysis, and I have also given you the verbatim meanings. Let us just chant this wonderful shloka again, a benedictory shloka, the opening verse of Malavikagni and wrap up this video. Here I go. Ekaishvarye tithopi pranata bahufale yasvayam kruttivasaha Kanta sammishra dehopya vishayamanadam yah parastadyatinam ashtabhiryasya krutznam jagadapitanubhirbibrato nabhimanaha sanmargalokanaya vyapanayatu savasthamasi vrittimishaha. Fantastic, isn't it, my dear friends? So in the next upcoming video, I am taking up the opening verse of Abhignan Shakuntalam with verbatim meanings and usually the poetical analysis, etc. Until then, bye for now. This is Suhas Tepesh signing off for Suhas Brahmins Matrimony, Jayanagar, Bangalore 11. As usual, all those Brahmins worldwide who wish to avail my matrimony services for a nominal cost, please catch me direct on 8762331815. My number is coming on the YouTube screen. Thank you. Hari Om Satti Jai Shri Ram. Namaste.